Everyone, I hope you are doing well. Today we will talk about how to fix or how to solve the problem of American Airlines app. You click on settings. In this page, we click on apps, default apps, app settings. In this page here, you will go to this window of American Airlines app. Then we click on first stop and we click OK. After that, you will enter to the window of storage. Then we click on clear cache. In the end, you can or you will turn off your phone. Then you will restart your phone again to fix that problem. So please don't forget to support us by like and subscribe. See you next time in another video, and thank you for your watching and your attention.